Morning guys, welcome back to the vlog, and today I'm starting the vlog off pretty late, to be honest. It's like 3 in the evening, so it's pretty late. Anyway, I'm starving hungry, so I'm about to go downstairs and cook myself something to eat.
Hello?
Totally not filming this. What?
Yeah, you from a weirdo.
Yeah?
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 What did you twat?
I am a twat. But I'm a good twat. Babe! Babe! Babe!
What?
You done?
Hold on.
You done. Oh god. You done now?
Really nice one. Nah.
I'll give you £1,000,000 if you stop.
What?
Thank you, just please stop. Otherwise, I'll stick this up on YouTube.
Tell you what.
I'm sticking it on YouTube anyway.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Tough. Haha, psych. She stuck me on hold. Why am I...
Hi.
Hello? Carla?
Hello.
Is Carla there?
Yeah.
Oh, hi. Weird. Anyway guys, I just want to say a massive Happy New Year's Eve, guys. One day. We literally got 23 hours and 3 minutes until 2017. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. I know this video's been quite short and stuff, but oh well. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And babe,
Peace out.